Are you tired of the same old inventions that are practical but lack excitement? Well, get ready to be amazed because in this video, we'll be showcasing the top 10 inventions that are not only unique, but also incredibly useful. So sit back, relax, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons because you won't want to miss out on these game-changing inventions. Number 10. Octav. This unique invention, referred to as Octav, allows the user to create music by hitting or striking the pipes. It consists of a set of PVC pipes arranged in a circular pattern around the user's body, resembling the arms of Dr. Octavius from the Spider-Man comics. Each pipe produces a different pitch when struck, allowing the user to create melodies and rhythms by playing the instrument. Octav is designed to be portable and user-friendly, with the ability to connect to external devices such as smartphones or laptops to expand its musical capabilities. Number 9. JOGALONG Strollers. JOGALONG jogging strollers are designed with a unique running frame that allows parents to run with a more natural upright posture while pushing the stroller. This design aims to reduce the strain on the runner's back and provide a smoother jogging experience. The strollers also prioritize safety and comfort for the child, with features such as a secure harness, shock-absorbing suspension, and adjustable seating positions. Number 8. Oura Ring Generation 3. Take control of your health with the Oura Ring. Women's health is not one size fits all, and Oura Ring is committed to providing you with valuable knowledge and clear, streamlined data about your body. With in-app features paired with your Oura Ring, you can track your period accurately and avoid any surprises. And through their partnership with Natural Cycles, you can track your fertility while you sleep. It's that easy. Empower yourself with the information you need to live your best life. Number 7. Night Shift RGB LED Kit for Helmet. Get ready to elevate your ride with Night Shift RGB LED Kit for Helmet, the ultimate invention to add some style and flair to your plain old helmet. With its 20+ animations and the ability to set any color of your choice, Night Shift will make you stand out on the road like never before. And thanks to its first-of-its-kind diffusion technology, the LEDs are only 1.7mm thick, making them brighter than previous light mode kits. But Night Shift isn't just about the looks. It also has a built-in microphone that syncs with your tunes and lets your helmet groove to the beat. It's the perfect way to add some excitement and fun to your ride. Don't settle for an ordinary ride. Choose Night Shift for a truly unique and useful invention that will turn heads and light up the night. Number 6. LaserPecker Pro. LaserPecker Pro is a unique and useful invention that makes laser engraving and cutting accessible and affordable for everyone. With its compact size and easy-to-use design, you can bring your ideas to life on a wide variety of materials, including wood, leather, cardboard, and even food. And thanks to its high-precision laser technology, you can achieve incredible detail and accuracy in your designs. LaserPecker Pro also features smart control and automatic focusing, making it incredibly simple to use. Plus, with its wireless design and rechargeable battery, you can take it with you wherever you go. Whether you're a professional artist or just starting out, LaserPecker Pro is the perfect tool to bring your creativity to life. So why wait? Start engraving and cutting like a pro today with LaserPecker Pro. Number 5. Enabot EBO X. Meet EBO X, the ultimate moving home bot that brings intelligence to your household. With V-Slam technology, EBO X can travel anywhere in your home with ease, thanks to its 2 direct-driven in-wheel monitors and precise motion control algorithms. Its 4K camera provides a wide range of view, and with built-in sensors, EBO X can avoid obstacles and stop itself from crossing any edge. EBO X is not just a home assistant, but a protector too. It can notify you of any abnormal movements, detect falls of elderly people, and even alert you if your child is crying. EBO X can also remind family members to take their medication and guard certain restricted areas. With EBO X, you can take care of your loved ones even from afar. When EBO X's battery is low, it can recharge itself on its charging dock. EBO X is more than just a robot. It's a moving home bot that brings intelligence and security to your home. Number 4. The Cryptide Sneaker. The Cryptide Sneaker is a one-of-a-kind shoe that draws inspiration from legendary creatures like Bigfoot and the Loch Ness Monster. The footwear is designed to leave behind traces like a cryptid, thanks to its unique design that features an open sole combined with a sock-like upper shoe. What sets this shoe apart is its manufacturing process. It is 3D printed using Syntratec TPE elastomer material on the Syntratec S2 system. With varying wall thickness, specific parts of the shoe are stiffer while others remain flexible, providing both comfort and ergonomics. With its unique design and innovative use of 3D printing technology, the Cryptide Sneaker is sure to turn heads and spark conversations wherever it goes. So make a statement and leave mysterious footprints wherever you go. Number 3. LenzO. LenzO is an innovative smartphone housing that transforms your phone into a powerful underwater camera. The housing is made with high-quality materials and designed to withstand extreme depths, making it perfect for scuba diving and underwater photography. With LenzO, you can capture stunning photos and videos with your smartphone, even in challenging underwater environments. The housing features easy-to-use controls, including a multi-function button and a touchscreen interface, allowing you to adjust settings and capture images and video with ease. Whether you're a professional photographer or just love to capture your underwater adventures, LenzO is a must-have accessory for any diver or underwater enthusiast. Number 2. LG ARTCOOL Gallery. The LG ARTCOOL Gallery is a sleek and stylish air conditioner that can also double as a work of art. With its customizable frame, you can easily match it to your home decor and even display your favorite artwork or photos. Featuring LG's dual inverter compressor, the ARTCOOL Gallery is not only energy efficient, but also ultra quiet, making it perfect for bedrooms and living rooms alike. And with its Wi-Fi connectivity, you can easily control the temperature and settings from your smartphone or smart home device. So if you're looking for an air conditioner that not only cools your space, but also adds a touch of elegance and personalization, the LG ARTCOOL Gallery is the perfect choice. Number 1. EDAG CityBot. Meet the EDAG CityBot, the next generation of urban mobility solutions designed to revolutionize city life. With its innovative and futuristic design, the CityBot is a game-changer in the field of autonomous transportation, designed for smart cities. It has a range of interchangeable pods, such as a delivery pod or a passenger pod, that can be swapped out depending on the intended use. The CityBot is also equipped with autonomous driving technology, allowing it to navigate city streets without a driver. It features a range of sensors and cameras to ensure safe and efficient operation. The CityBot is designed to reduce traffic congestion and pollution in urban areas, while also providing a customizable and flexible transportation solution for businesses and individuals alike. So that's it. Which one was your favorite? Do you know of any other amazing inventions that should have made the list? We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions, so please share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.